New Orleans roof damage after a storm? Do not approve a major replacement until the scope, permit, and required photo record are clear. Stay off a wet, wind-damaged, or unstable roof. From the ground, photograph every side of the house, displaced material, damaged gutters, and any safe interior stains. If the structure, power lines, or ceiling are unsafe, keep out and contact emergency authorities. Ask the inspector to separate temporary weather protection, localized repair, and replacement in writing. Photograph before cleanup, save storm dates, and avoid signing over insurance benefits or paying the full amount before a documented scope and permit responsibility are clear. New Orleans requires a residential re-roofing permit when work affects 50% or more of the roof on a 1- or 2-family home. Minor work below the threshold may be exempt unless another permit rule applies, so ask how the percentage was calculated. The city's re-roofing process requires geotagged documentation, including 4 wide photos from different directions at each of 4 installation stages. Ask who will take, retain, and upload those 16 inspection photos before the old roof is removed. Homes in Historic District Landmarks Commission or View Care Commission areas need additional review. Confirm the address, contractor, signed estimate, permit number, underlayment, flashing scope, and completion record before authorizing a major replacement. To locate a roof service provider, call 877-320-4994. Again, that is 877-320-4994. This service connects callers with independent local providers. Availability varies by location.